Do you ever just have a bunch of stuff to do and you don't feel like doing any of it? That's me right now. Looking fresh already.
Perfect.
Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, listen, it's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm supposed to be sleeping. As you can see, my hair is wet. I just washed it. I have a bunch of stuff to do and we're gonna chit chat. We're gonna talk about the stuff I need to do, how I feel while I style my hair into something cute, something quick. Give me a sec. So for starters, I'm gonna be using Rosen Skincare's Tropics Toner. I love this toner for my face. I love all of their products. I'll do a skincare review on their products. So stay tuned for that. Apart from my skincare routine that I have right now. Done. So as I let that dry, I'm gonna oil on up and then I'll be right back. Why can't I talk? These nails right here, they didn't last. To you, they may look okay. To me, they look like booty. So we're gonna take these off and then I'm finally gonna start my looking good. Okay, so about to just comb this down. Okay, oh crap. I said I was gonna take these off. Okay, so you know what? We're just gonna style my hair and then I'll take these off after. So right now I'm about to style my hair in something cute and something simple. So we're going to keep this part the way it is. I'm gonna part it down the middle. All right, so we're gonna put this side away real quick. Water dripping everywhere. And then we're going to use one styling product and one style product only. Unique Curls 4-in-1 Styler. If you've been following me for a long time and watching my videos, this is an OG product I used years ago. I still have it. I think their products are amazing still. If you need to buy any product and any product at all from the brand, I definitely recommend that product. I definitely recommend the shampoo. This is a one and done. Look how beautiful and shiny my curls look. Sometimes when I don't want to add too many products, I just stick with one. I'm trying to find my wide tooth comb. Sometimes when I don't want to use more than one product, I like a one and done. And I think everyone should always have at least one and done product in their stash. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to split this in half. Grab a brush. As much as you can. Upward. And you're going to grab some teeny tiny, in the words of my daughters, hair tie. Can we do it? Will it break? I don't know. And it didn't. Good. So we're going to do the same thing to this side. Now there's different variations to this hairstyle that I came up with. But as of right now, we will do one. If you want to see what other variations I have thought about, let me know. And I will either create them in like a multiple hairstyle in one video, or I'll just drop a hairstyle for each idea I had. Okay, so now that that's done, what we're going to do is grab another hair tie. Okay, and we're going to combine these two. You know what? No, we're not.
No, we're not.
So we're going to Princess Jasmine this thing. Okay. So we're going to do that for both ponytails. And then once I'm done, I'm going to do the other side off camera exactly the same way. I'm just making it up as I go. This wasn't the original idea I had for this video, but it's another idea that you can create if you wanted to have a cute protective style without having to over manipulate your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the side and then I'll be right back. Okay, oh, I just bit my tongue. That's what I get for moving too fast. Okay, so this is the hairstyle that I created. So what I'm going to do is grab all of them. Okay, right here. And then we are going to put them up like this. So this is, again, like I said, one variation to the hairstyle. And this is what we have. So of course I'm not going to leave my undercut looking like that. Instead of using mousse this time, I'm actually going to go in with a gel. I'm going to use the Main Crush Curltini Styler. And I'm going to put that on my hair. More so because the mousse just doesn't do the job. And my hair is looking rough. Like these sides right here, they are thick. When I say thick, I mean thick. Like, can you see that? This needs a whole haircut, line up, everything. So we are going to just brush it down. Hold on, because I don't want to mess up my hair. See, like, these sides is looking crazy. I'm going to put a little bit more gel. We'll see how these sides, behave. I don't know. We'll see. So we're going to go back in, brush these sides. Okay, did you see that? I hope so. And then we're going to go in with the toothbrush and we're going to really just lay these sides down like this. Just going to swoop it like that. I'm just going to lay it down. I do need to like I said, redo my sides. I did tell myself that I would get some clippers. I can't see. Hold on. Okay. So I did tell myself that I would get some clippers because I want to learn how to slay my own hairstyle. I want to be able to do it myself. I'm not huge on depending on people. And I feel like if someone can learn, then so can I. So... oh, you're looking fresh already. Looking fresh already. So I definitely want this ponytail to sit up higher. But let me see if I can fix it. So there's different things that you can do for this ponytail before I get into the chit chat. So you can definitely have two ponytails, right? One here and then both of them here. so they can be a long ponytail. Or you can have two ponytails. Or you can crisscross, right? So this ponytail would be here, and then this ponytail would be here, and then you can have that look as well. So there's so many different ways that you can play with this specific hairstyle. If you want me to style my hair in all those styles, but not using this length and using like a twist out, braid out, just leave me a comment down below. Okay, so my point to the beginning of this video was I have a lot of stuff to do. Like, I need to budget my money. I need to organize my content, see what I'm putting out, you know, on Thursday, see what I'm putting out this weekend. I have more than 10 videos from September 2020 that I never put out. I know, I'm terrible at putting it out. I can record like back to back to back, but editing, oof. So long story short, I just have a lot to do and I really didn't feel like doing it. I came home from a 12-hour shift and I worked out. So I got home at 6:40. I worked out from 7 to 8 and I was done. I ate something and I literally just sat down for like an hour. But I was at a point where I really wanted to just go to sleep. I'm using this wax strip and I'm going to wrap, you know, my undercut to just lay this hair in place. Hopefully it doesn't get messed up. I honestly just want to wrap it with a satin scarf. But we will leave it be. So we're going to leave this on for a few minutes. And then right before I go to sleep, I'm actually going to remove this and then just wrap it with a scarf. Okay, so anyways, like I was saying, I definitely wanted to just go to sleep. I didn't want to stay up. I did not want to wash my hair, but my hair was in a nasty bun for like 2 weeks. And I say nasty because
it just looked off.
I didn't care. But you know when you're fed up and you're just like, you need to get your hair done. So I said, you know what, whatever. I spoke to one of my great friends, very motivating. And I said, you know what, I'm going to light that fire under my booty. And I showered, I shaved, I washed my hair, I styled. As you can see, I'm filming this for you guys. And one thing I'm about to do is remove this black nail polish. One thing that I don't like is having nail polish and it be all chipped. I'd rather just not have any nail polish at all because I'm going to stare at it all day. So I'm doing that, and then I'm actually going to be finishing editing a video. That video. It's down in the description. Make sure that you guys go check it out and see why I got them and all that good stuff. As you can see, I'm just taking my nail polish off. But I just wasn't in the mood to do anything. I literally just want to sleep. I honestly have the house to myself. And I have the night to myself. And all I want to do is just sleep. Get some uninterrupted sleep. I don't want to watch TV. I don't want to do anything. I didn't even want to edit. I did not want to film. I didn't want to do my hair. I literally just wanted to sleep. But I know, because this has happened plenty of times, that once I go to sleep and don't do what I have to do, I'm going to wake up the next morning and I'm going to be upset. Let me know if this happens to you. I'm going to be upset. And I said, you know what? Stop crying about it. Stop complaining. I literally was complaining for like 20 minutes. Telling myself how all I wanted to do was just go to sleep. But you want to know something? I allowed myself to complain. And I feel like that's something that's very, very important to do. You want to make sure that you allow yourself to complain, allow yourself to feel, allow yourself to be in that moment. Because once I was done complaining about it, I said, girl, go to the bathroom and take care of business. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So once I'm officially done taking this nail polish off, I am going to go on my computer, finish editing that video, put it out, and then work on editing this one. So your girl's working, okay? But let me know, what do you do when you just don't feel like doing anything at all? Do you give in and not do it? How do you feel the next day if you don't do it? And if you do it, what's up? You know what I mean? Like, how do you feel? I know I feel amazing. I know I won't regret doing what I'm doing right now. I feel fresh. I feel relaxed. Nothing like a clean, fresh scalp and a bomb hairstyle. You know what I mean? With that fresh undercut that needs to be touched up. Stay tuned for, I think I want to drop on Thursday. I think I want to drop the undercut video, which is pretty much, you know, me giving you guys like a vlog into my undercut, how I feel about it, the pros, the cons, and what I have learned so far having it for over a month now. Almost, yeah, just over a little over a month. I would say a month and like 2 weeks. I may just do that. So also leave me a comment down below and tell me if you want to see that. If you don't, okay, but if you do, let me know. How soon do you want to see that video? Because if not, I'll just postpone it and I'll drop the other content that I have that I haven't dropped. Anyways, I'm just gonna finish taking my nails off. I'm almost done. I have literally just one nail done. And then the next time you guys will see me will be in the morning time. I'm going to just show you guys my end results. And then that's about it. This is gonna be a nice, cute little hairstyle chit chat vlog. I didn't show you guys me picking out my clothes for tomorrow. And I didn't show you guys, you know, how I looked like before I got on this video, because let me tell you, I was looking rough. But right, but I'm officially done. Nails aren't all the way fresh, but I'm about to trim them, wash my nails because they have like that black cast over it. I'm gonna trim them once again, and I'm just gonna get my nails right. So again, this is just what my hair looks like. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? What's up? Anyways, yeah, so I will be back. So I applied the scarf right before I went to sleep, and this is what my hair looks like. My hair looks fresh. I'm just using the toothbrush to just comb my sides down a little bit, but this is my hairstyle. Okay, so this style is done. I love the way my sides came out. These sides right here aren't going anywhere. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this cute little style. Something cute, something simple. As you saw, I washed my hair, put it up, and now, you know, I'm good to go. My hair is still damp a little bit, but they will eventually dry. Other than that, my hair is up, out the way, and it's cute. Okay, so it looked good. Time for me to go. I'll talk to you guys soon. Make sure that you leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Tell me if you'd wear it. And again, answer the rest of my questions that I asked earlier in this video. Peace, love, positive vibes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so that you never miss a video. And follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are down in the description. Okay?